Looking which is the best animation software for beginners? You can check out this compilation of animation software, including the most popular and preferred products on the list, as well as lesser known, but still very good animation tools for today. In this video, about the best animation software for beginners, you will find premium, free and open source products, as well as online tools for animating. No matter if you are just a beginner or searching for an alternative software you are using right now, or maybe want to experiment with a completely different types of animations like traditional frame-by-frame, flash-style animations, 2D or 3D animations and more. This video will help you sort out your options. So let's begin. Number 1. Adobe Character Animator. It is a powerful tool which allows you to animate cartoon characters in real time. Being one of the newest additions in Adobe family, this software works very simply, easy and fast. You plug in your mic and cam, then import a character specifically prepared for animation in Adobe Character Animator called Puppet. The software can detect your facial expressions and voice in order for you to animate the character's face. By using pre-defined triggers and functions, the character can walk, make its gestures, hold objects and more. Number 2. Cartoon Animator 4. Cartoon Animator 4 is a software for all level of users, suitable for beginners, advanced users or professionals who want to create such engaging high-quality animations. Formerly Crazy Talk Animation 3, the software allows you to create a custom 2D characters, choose characters from huge database, and import PSD character templates. You can also make any static image move by applying different motion templates provided in the library, or even 3D motions. The software also comes with a bone rigging tools, supports audio lip syncing, facial detection, and many more simple and advanced features. It depends on the edition you are using. Pretty much, Cartoon Animator 4 allows you to have full control over your 2D characters and create professional animation. Number 3. Moho Animation Software. Distributed by Smith Micro Software, while Moho Animation Software is designed for beginners and kids, it includes powerful features that allow you to realize your vision into an animation. This revolutionary tools are combined with an easy-to-understand interface. You can also try its Pro version, which is more pricey, but comes with the powerful features that will help you create professional animations. It is also an animation program for both PC and Mac. Number 4. Toon Boom Harmony. It is a professional software for animation used by beginners as well as very professional animators. It is a product where you can create any kind of animation, whether it is traditional drawn animation, flash style or a combination of 2D and 3D animations. It also offers advanced tools and features for drawing, special and lighting effects, and more. In addition to these features, integration with other software like multi-layer PSD, Illustrator, PDF and bitmaps are also included. Number 5. Blender. Blender is a cross-platform free and open-source 3D creation suite, offering a powerful arsenal of tools. Considering that it is a free software, it is very powerful and can be highly beneficial for such a smaller companies. And one of the best elements of Blender is its modeling tools. If you are into 3D application, Blender can be a great option for you. It also have full capabilities like rigging, texturing, animation and built-in game engine. This feature-rich 3D suite software is suitable for beginners as well as advanced users. Also available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 6. Pencil 2D. If you are into a traditional hand-drawn animation, then maybe Pencil 2D is the best option for you to start your project on animation. It is a cross-platform tool and lets you focus on animating even when you are on the go. You can use both raster and vector graphics and can easily switch two types of artwork. The software is completely free and open source, so you can have access to the source code and add features to it. It is best for making cartoons using traditional techniques, managing vector and bitmap drawings. Number 7. Synfig Studio. If you have worked with Flash and are looking for a similar animation software, Synfig Studio is the right option for you. Synfig is based on vectors and allows you a full control on editing the vector artwork in a 2D animation. Also have an advanced control on your characters, as well as the option of create character puppets. It is 100% free and you can use it on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Since the software is open source, you also have the option to access the source code. Number 8. Animaker. Animaker is an online tool for animation that offers plans for all kinds of users. From beginners to enterprise plan. Each plan version comes with the features and assets to help you in creating amazing videos. With this software, you can create 2D and 2.5D videos, animated infographic, typography, handcraft and more. You can also choose pre-designed templates for your project. In addition to its features, text-to-speech, background music tracks, sound effects, voice recording and import your own custom sounds are included. Number 9. Viant Studio. Viant Studio offers an online animation making tool suitable for people of all skill levels like beginners to experts to make great professional animation content. Aside from its easiest ways to create professional videos, it is enriched with handy features, mix multiple styles, create custom characters for any setting or job role then bringing into life with realistic movement, actions and automatic lip sync. This online tools for video animations allows you to build animations based on characters, make engaging data visualizations and more. Number 10. Movely. Movely is a cool online tool for creating animated videos for different purposes like social media, advertising, explainer videos, presentations and more. This tool is perfect for users of all levels, as well as big and small businesses. It is a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, and lots of library of templates, images, video clips and sound files make it easier for users to create professional animation videos. Number 11. Video. Video is an online animation software for all levels of users. Also great tool that does not require any previous experience in animating. You can create animated videos for different purposes like explainer videos, data, promotional, presentationals, videos for e-commerce, business, real estate and more. The software have also free trial and pricing plans, basic to enterprise. With the selection of these animation software, hoping that this will be a big help for beginners, other software products offer free versions of free trials, so you will be able to try the product before you buy. If you have a favorite animation software for beginners that is not listed on this video, it would be awesome if you share it with us in the comments below. Thank you and good luck. If you enjoy these video, give us a thumbs up and share it to your friends. For more videos like these, hit the subscribe button and remember to hit the notification bell for more updates. Also check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.